Okay, in this tangled mess of everyday work, we have here a Maserati Merak round-bodied Vitaloni switch that we've just completed restoration on. It's similar to the other round-bodied Vitaloni switches fitting Ferraris and what have you, except so noted because of the deep arms for a deeper steering wheel assembly, I believe. In case we've gone through this switch completely, it actually had broken out several areas on the switch body, including an area that originally had a plastic pillar on it that limited the travel of the headlamp switch to only 2 positions, which is correct for the Maserati Merak. It had 3 positions before, one of them didn't do anything. We have put a positive stop on the mechanism to make sure that it only goes in 2 positions. And of course we have the turn signal switch and the wiper switch. Now, in order to assure that all these contacts work absolutely properly, we have a little schematic here that shows us how to go through and test everything on our makeshift 9 amp load here. So Steve, take it away with the test on this.
This is going to be the windshield wiper. 1 position.
Okay.
And
then back to neutral. Okay. Oh, no, this is the wiper. I see. Okay, yeah. Okay, so 1 position on the wiper.
Yeah. And here's position number 2 on the wiper.
All right.
And position number 3 on the wiper.
Okay, so we have all 3 positions working, but there's a pull function of this for windshield screen washer, right?
I don't know what it's for, but there's a pull function.
Yeah, that for windscreen wiper. That's
pull in 1 position, 2 positions, and 3rd position.
So the screen washer works in all 3 positions, and that concludes the wiper.
Headlights.
Now we're on to the headlight operation.
Okay, well, there's 1 position.
Okay. And I believe somehow on the Merak there's only a high and low position, and certainly we have both of those.
There's only 2, yeah.
At a 9 amp load, which is far more than this switch will likely ever see. Okay, and then
signal one way or the other.
There's turn signal 1 direction, return to neutral, and the other direction. Very good. And then we have
function on this is next.
I think that's the last function, right?
Pull function is the last one, yes.
Which is the high beam get out of my way horn lights. And it works in both positions.
Twist knob.
Oh yeah, the twist switch knob. Now I think the twist knob on this probably does an interior light or something, but whatever it does, it works, as you can see. Again, 9 amps is far more than any of these will ever see, but that indicates that all of our contacts are absolutely solid. Everything is refinished here, polished, new zinc electroplating, a reinforcement bar for the weak turn signal cancellation lugs. Oh, they work too, by the way. And that does it. We're finished with this particular switch. Thank you very much for your interest.